students, good noon. This is Nidikeria. Today we study about the aliphatic amines. In our previous lecture, we complete the amine carboxylic acid chapter. So to start the new chapter, that is aliphatic amines. So today we discuss about the content of this lecture is aliphatic amines to introduction, classification and nomenclature. So first, introduction of the aliphatic amines, that is organic derivative of the ammonia with one or more alkyl or aryl groups bonded to the nitrogen atoms. That's called aliphatic amines or amines, that is derivative of the ammonia and one or more alkyl or aryl groups are bound with the one nitrogen atoms. That's called aliphatic amines. Okay, so first you remember that is the derivative of the ammonia. Okay, not ammonia but derivative of the ammonia. Okay, so first functional group of the, that is one nitrogen atom, nitrogen having a 3 valency. So one or more alkyl or aryl groups. Alkyl means carbon chain and aryl means any ring structures. Okay, so RR is a hydrocarbon group, either any RR means a hydrocarbon groups like CH3, CH2, any carbon ring are attached there or any aryl ring. Okay, so that is a functional group, either structure of the amines. Okay, and then classification of the amines. So mainly 3 class of the amines, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. So what is primary amine? So one alkyl or aryl group attached with the nitrogen, that's called primary amine. Then secondary amine is a 2 or more 2 alkyl or aryl groups attached to the nitrogen atom, that's called secondary amine. And third one is a tertiary amine. So this is 3 alkyl or aryl groups attached to the nitrogen atom, that's called tertiary amine. Mostly we use this 3 class of the amine, aliphatic amines, in industry or our college. Okay, so fourth one is a quaternary amine. In this, 4 alkyl or aryl groups attached with nitrogen atom and formation of the positive charge, bearings of the positive charge, that's called quaternary amines. The naming system, that's called nomenclature. So nomenclature of the aliphatic amines is common names. So common name is a rule of the common naming system. So first point is formed from the name of the alkyl groups bonded to the nitrogen followed by the suffix amine. Any carbon chain alkyl groups having bond with the nitrogen followed by suffix amines. Any alkyl groups attached with the nitrogen and that's compound having a suffix amines. Okay, then prefix is a di, tri and tetra, used describe 2, 3 or 4 identical substitution. As per substitution you can use any prefix like di, tri or tetra. Okay, these all the examples of the common naming system rules. So first one is a ethylamine, second one is a ethyl dimethylamine, then third one is a ethyl propyl amine. This is a secondary structure amine, secondary amine structure. This is a tertiary amine structure and this is a primary amine structure. The nitrogen having a 1 carbon chain attached with a 1 carbon chain, that's called primary. Nitrogen attached with the 3 groups of the alkyl chain, that's called tertiary amine. And nitrogen having a 2 substitution of the alkyl groups, that's called the secondary amine. Okay, then IUPAC, based on the IUPAC naming system, It is similar to the alcohol. Then the longest continuous chain of the carbon determine the root of the carbon. First, longest continuous chain, like you take any number of the carbon chain. First you find the value of the carbon chain, like 1 2 3, how many carbons present in their structure. So as per that structure you can give the number, like 4 carbon present, then you can naming the butane, 5 carbon, then propane, sorry, pentane, and then 3 carbon, so you can use 3 carbon, then you gives the name is a propane. Okay, so as per longest continuous chain of the carbon atom determine the root of the name. The alkane is in alkane naming to change the amine. So E is remove and attach the amine. So that's butane. So E is remove and butanamine is amine is add. Okay, and the number shows the position of the amino group along to the chain. So numbering is a mention the amino group along with the chain. Okay, other substitution of the carbon chain are given number, and the prefix n is used for the each substitution of the nitrogen. Okay, this is a IUPAC naming of the carbon aliphatic amines. Then the prefix amino is used to indicate the presence of the NH2 group in the molecule containing a one functional group. So in these structures you can use amino word in a prefix, not a suffix but prefix. In NH2 amino word is a mention the presence of the NH2 group as a functional group containing NH2 group. Okay, so here not attached suffix, not attached, we are not attached the suffix like amines, but we attach the amino as a prefix. Okay, so these all the examples of the aliphatic amino groups. So amino ethanoic acid, 2 amino ethanol, amino benzaldehyde, and amino 4 diaminophenol. These all the naming system of the as per the prefix amino. Okay, and then aromatic primary amines. So aromatic amines having a amine group attached directly to the aromatic ring. So as we know, aromatic primary amines, so aromatic word means the ring structure are present in the structure. Okay, component structure. So first we take the one ring structure and directly attach to the NH3 group, amine group. So that's called the aromatic primary amine. Okay, so aromatic amines known as a aryl amine. Aromatic amine also called the aryl amine. This is a aniline, phenyl amines, then 2 phenylamine, 2 methyl phenylamine, and 4 nitromethylamine. These all the primary aromatic amines examples. Okay, then naming the compound with the 2 NH2 groups are named by the adding the suffix diamine to the name of the corresponding alkane or aromatic ring. Any aromatic ring or alkane ring having a 2 NH2 groups, then suffix is a diamine. Adding suffix is a diamine. Either one group present, then only amine, and 2 group NH2 present, then adding the 2 groups of the NH2 group are present, then you can add the diamine. Okay, this is a hexane 1,6-diamine, because all 2 groups NH2 group are be present. Then here benzene 1,4-diamine, because 1 and 4 number position 2 NH2 groups are present, so 1,4-diamine. Okay, thank you to all.